Now we are going to study the transmission of incomplete dominance allele. In the previous videos, we have studied the case of dominance, where we have a dominant allele and a recessive allele, and consequently we have two phenotypes, the dominant phenotype and the recessive phenotype, and we have seen that the dominant phenotype can be present in the homozygous state and in the heterozygous state. So the dominant phenotype can have two genotypes. The recessive phenotype has only one genotype. Now we are going to study the incomplete dominance. Here in the example we have the Snapdragon flowers. We have two types of flowers, the white one and the red one. The crossing between these two flowers gives in F1 a third color, which is the pink color. The pink color is the color intermediate between white and red. From the previous video, in the case of dominance, we expect to obtain in F1 one of the parental phenotypes. يعني we expect to obtain either the white color or the red color, and in this case one of these phenotypes is the dominant phenotype. Here this is not the case. We have obtained a third phenotype intermediate between the two parental phenotypes. So this is the case of incomplete dominance or non-dominance. We don't have a phenotype dominant over the other or an allele dominant over the other. The allele white and the allele red, when they are present together in the genotype, they will lead to the formation of a third intermediate phenotype. So the appearance of a third phenotype intermediate between the parental phenotypes indicates that this is the case of incomplete dominance. So the hybridization here, white cross red, gives the pink, which is the intermediate phenotype. Now the self-cross. Upon crossing two flowers having pink color, in the F2 generation, we will obtain three phenotypes, white, red, which are the parental, and also we have appearance of the intermediate phenotype, which is the pink phenotype. Let's explain the results. Here, for the parents, white and red of the first generation, the parents are of a pure race. So the phenotype of the parents, we have a male having white color and a female having red color. Since the parents are of a pure line, the genotype of the parent having the white color is WW, and the parent having the red color is RR. Since the parents are homozygous, each one will produce one type of gametes. The male gives a gamete containing the white allele, and the female gives gametes containing the red allele. By fertilization, W from the male with R from the female will give an individual of genotype WR, and because the alleles here don't have the dominant and recessive state, both alleles together will work to give a third phenotype, which is the intermediate pink color. هلا كيف عرفنا انه ال parents are of pure line؟ او هو بيكون قايلنا بالجبل انه parents of pure line, or we can conclude that the parents are of pure line. كيف فينا نستنتج؟ we study the F1 generation. نطلع بال F1. If the F1 generation is homogeneous, like in this case, all the flowers have pink color, then the parents are of pure line. So in the F1 generation, in the case of incomplete dominance, there is appearance of a third phenotype. Now, the self-cross or the self-fertilization, we are going to make a cross between two hybrid plants, both of pink color. The genotype is WR. Because the parents are heterozygous, each one will produce two types of gametes. So the genotype WR will give gametes carrying the allele W and gametes carrying the allele R. We put the gametes in the table. The male gave gametes carrying the allele W and gametes carrying the allele R. Similarly, the female, which is also heterozygous, gave two types of gametes, W and R. W from the female with W from the male will give WW, يعني flowers having the white color. R with W, WR, flowers with pink color. W with R, WR, plants with pink color. R with R will give RR, plants with red color. So the result of the F2 generation, the genotypes are three genotypes, WW, WR, and RR. The proportions are 1 out of 4 WW, 2 out of 4 WR, and 1 out of 4 RR. Here, each genotype gives a phenotype. WW gives the white color, WR gives the pink color, and RR gives the red color. Whereas in the case of dominance, the individuals having the dominant allele, one copy or two copies, have the same genotype. Sorry, the same phenotype, which is the dominant phenotype. But here in the case of incomplete dominance, for each genotype there is one phenotype. So it is not necessary to make a test cross in the case of incomplete dominance to know the genotype of parents. يعني أنا بس أقول flower of white color, directly the genotype is WW. Flowers of red color, the genotype is RR. Flowers of pink color, the genotype is WR. So the genotypes are clear. We do not have questions about the genotype. Another case, the case of co-dominant alleles. Here we are going to study the gene determining the blood types in the ABO system. This gene is located on chromosome number 9. This gene has the three allelic forms, the three alleles, A, B, and O. When an individual has both allele A and allele B, he is of a blood group AB. When an individual has two alleles O, his blood group is O. When an individual has one allele A or two alleles A, but of course without the allele B, his blood type will be B. And if an individual has one allele B or two alleles B without the allele A, he will have the blood group B. What information can we draw from this given? Here, individuals having different alleles A and B, heterozygous individuals, the blood type is neither A nor B. It is AB. Both alleles are expressed. The allele A is expressed and the allele B is expressed, so the alleles A and B are codominant. They have equal dominance. They are both expressed. Here, when they say that one allele A is enough for the phenotype to be blood group A, على شرط إنه ما عنا الallele B. So إذا ما عنا الallele B, of course we will have the allele O, because each individual should have two alleles. هون لما قالوا لنا has one allele A, يعني الallele الثاني رح يكون O. So if the genotype is AO or AA, the blood group is A. يعني الallele A is dominant over the allele O. هون نفس الشيء. If he has one allele B, يعني the other allele is O. So if the genotype is BO or BB, the blood group is B, then the allele B is dominant over the allele O. So the alleles A and B are codominant, and both are dominant over the allele O. So A and B have equal dominance. A dominant over O, B dominant over O. O is the recessive allele. So in the case of codominance, neither allele can mask the expression of the other one. Both alleles are equally expressed in the phenotype. If the phenotype is A, the genotype is AA or AO. اوكي، عم ننتبه لما بيكون في عنا case of dominance الفينوتايب الواحد إذا كان dominant ممكن يكون في عنده two phenotypes homozygous or heterozygous. If the phenotype is B, the genotype can be BB or BO. If the genotype is AB, the phenotype, if the phenotype is AB, the genotype is also AB. If the phenotype is O, the genotype is OO. The recessive phenotype is expressed in the homozygous state. The dominant phenotypes A or B are expressed in the homozygous state and in the heterozygous state. In the case of codominance, both alleles are equally expressed. Here we have the family tree. We have a couple, the father and the mother of Fadia. The father is of blood type A, the mother is of blood type B. This couple has 4 children, a male of blood type B, a female of blood type O, a male of blood type A, and Fadia whose blood type is AB. Now we are going to explain the appearance of these phenotypes and the descendants of the couple. The father is of blood type A, so of course the father has the dominant allele A. Since he has a child of a blood type O, and we know that the recessive allele O is expressed in the homozygous state, then the genotype of this individual is OO, O from the father and O from the mother. Then both the father and the mother are heterozygous. The genotype of the father is AO, the genotype of the mother is BO. So the father produces 2 types of gametes, A and O. The mother produces also 2 types of gametes, B and O. A from the father with B from the mother will give the genotype AB, leading to the phenotype blood group AB, which is the blood group of Fadia. O from the mother with A from the father will give the genotype AO, blood type A. This is the blood type of this child. B from the mother with O from the father will give the genotype BO, and consequently the blood type B. This is the blood type of this individual. And O from the mother with O from the father will give the blood type O of genotype OO, which is the blood type of this female. So we notice here, in the case of dominance, an individual can be heterozygous, AO, BO, whereas in the case of codominance, the individual is heterozygous and both alleles are expressed.